Hello students, today I am going to teach you a new topic formula. Atoms usually do not exist independently. They generally combine themselves to form a molecule. A molecule is the smallest part of an element or a compound that can exist independently. It is represented by a formula. The formula of a molecule gives the number of atoms of the same or different elements present in the molecule. Formula of elements. When an atom of the element combines with another atoms of the same element, a molecule of the element is formed. For example, two atoms of hydrogen combine to form H2. That is a one molecule of H2. Two atoms of nitrogen combine with each other to form N2. N2 is a one molecule of nitrogen. 2 being the subscript showing the number of hydrogen atom or nitrogen atom. H2, 2 यहाँ पर क्या है? 2 being the subscript showing the number of hydrogen atom. Similarly, molecules of oxygen O2, molecules of fluorine F2, molecule of chlorine Cl2, molecule of bromine Br2, molecule of iodine I2. These molecules are diatomic because their molecules consist of two atoms of the element. Ozone gas, that's O3, is a triatomic gas. Three atoms of oxygen combine to form one molecule of ozone. Noble gases are highly inactive in nature. They do not combine with other elements in normal condition. Hence, noble gases are monoatomic. A molecule of a noble gas contains only one atom of the element. Noble gases are helium, symbol He, neon, symbol Ne, argon, Ar, krypton, Kr, and xenon, Xe, are noble gases. So the formula of a noble gas is the same as its symbol. Now I discuss the valency. The capacity of an element to combine with other elements is known as its valency. The combining capacity of all elements are not the same. For example, one atom of chlorine combines with one atom of hydrogen to form a molecule of hydrogen chloride gas. Oxygen, one atom of oxygen combine with two atoms of hydrogen to form H2O. It means water. One atom of nitrogen combine with three atoms of hydrogen to form a molecule of ammonia, that is NH3. H is assigned a valency of 1. So, the valencies of chlorine 1, valency of oxygen 2 and valency of nitrogen 3. Because nitrogen combined with 3 atom of hydrogen, so nitrogen valency 3. Oxygen combines with 2 atom of hydrogen, so valency of oxygen 2, and chlorine combined with 1 atom of hydrogen, so valency of chlorine is 1. The valencies of some common elements are hydrogen valency 1, chlorine valency 1, iodine valency 1, sodium Na valency 1, potassium K, lithium Li, all have one valency. So these are monovalent. Oxygen valency 2, magnesium valency 2, calcium valency 2, zinc, barium, sulfur all have valency 2. So these are divalent elements. Nitrogen valency 3, aluminium valency 3, boron valency 3, so these are trivalent. Carbon and silicon have valency 4, so both are called tetravalent element. Thank you for watching this video.